College boni fibro te kane kalong jing pentip mo gitu ki bom pat yo jing tip ha de bar kane ka DSC po nong po te kat gom kane ka addendum kong ba la pen Q biang ki post mo la ad biang ki number of vacancy la increase tang ki post jong ka to kan netli te bat ya ka ela extend biang ya ka date ya ka last date ru la extend biang tengine page kat gom kane consequent upon the increase and correction made in a number of vacancy la correct biang ki number of vacancy yang ne grade 3, 1, 3, 4, 5, and grade 4. And about advertisement is hereby notified for general information of all concerned that the number of vacancies in respect to said post is as follow. Dalam taka typist level 2, 1. Tangka number of vacancy increase 1. Okay. Tangka juhi yang itu you are 1. Let's repass with computer knowledge and typing speed 30. Nam taka LDA la increase naka live hupra syaka sau po sau. Tes akan mau naka live hupra la increase syaka sau sau. Khadway tali you are live hui khas jantia but kibatam kide nangta kaway namta inclusive one number of PWD and one number namta ki OST OSC. Then sericulture ni bon setor yura ni tur kum kelare kene bre la shu ajing pentip hangne ba ke jing pentip hangne skam ha ki ba apply adap training namta kene ka sericulture demonstrator with cabinet approval 19 September 2023 for condonation of age and all the overage pass out trainees are also eligible ngut ba kila bela adap training ya kane ki bala overage ru kila banang long eligible to apply provided they attain the mentioned diploma course ya katu ka diploma course ke bakla ada mention tangi kitu hikin sha the condonation of age will apply only to this recruitment cycle and will not serve as a precedent for future recruitment the same post tang ya kamane menta kin sha i bala over age ru nama kide mela dep pade ya ka training na katu ke bakla ada mention ma ha katu ka advertisement kila mention ba kide ban dep training be ha kata ka bade hang tang ta ka aya ka jakaru te tang kita ki yo amde re ki buai ki badap training na wei kim la re banyu tang kita hi te ki ong tang menta kin ai kin sha ek bala oro isru however candidate whose name which may not be mentioned in the list of condemnation of age but fall under required age for required qualification may also be allowed te kan de ka ju hi nam ta viving demonstrator ru tang ki bala training bai ya katu ka ba ai ka jaka training center kila mention bai ma amde re ba ki bayo apply ki de baro amde re kamta te ka don la ka jaka training center ka bala na mention bai ha katu ka advertisement te tang gitu hi te gitu ki bala ya katu training mud ba la ra kila over age ru kinang la ban apply sectional assistant nakasau syakasan Laberti atandan naka ar shakalai le increase pion na khatsau shakhat khandai mali na lai shasau application fee katura tepi shispa basan phone taki STSC permanent resident of state of Meghalaya tekat kum kaneru menta ka ju himo na baro KDSC lale kum nehi as per OM per 2025 22.23 to June 2024 para F while selecting candidate to such post preferences should be given to local candidate residing permanently in the district of vacancy occur. Takmod ba kane kadai po Ribhoy district, kamod ba ka preferences kin kham ai hi ya kibadai na po Ribhoy permanently in the district in which the vacancy occur. Tekila banyo gibanabar district ru henrei ka preference pede kan kin kham ai be ya gibadai na po Ribhoy district. Telong hang neba, the committee has therefore decided to allow another 15 days time. Nai por biang sakhasan sngi biang ya kapor kaba kila abo kelas date. Te kelas date kedi khatsan te kila ai biang sakhasan kan long no live ho tarik jong banai September nam ta ki post di isi hapo ribhoy. Interested eligible person to submit their application. Person who have already applied for the post need not apply again. Ki bala ada apply non kam syum na apply biang sesisen la biang la adab. Only application are applied through website atau katur biang ada tang ba ki bala apply non kam shu ban apply ndai ki ba dang mut apply thamai te gila ban apply bade te nakali nga jonga la don ki bakwa ban pha ban apply tengan te nakali nga jonga tengan book ka Google form nakamta ban yerap ban pin register na pin apply nam ta ka DSC nong po ma makalas date kanang bon adu live tarik te ki bakwa ban Pak ban pen register le pen apply sependap ye ka Google form kebangan bu apo ka description sependap ikerteng tu dengan sa message ya gitu kiba ada pendap tang ba kiba la ban lej ban pha pendap hi kiba jan ni kidukan cyber kila ban lej hi wanam apa de te hindri kiba nom lapor bar kiba jenjar kalej kawan te kila ban pendap dengan saya rap ban pen register am ta jongki bat kidei ban don WhatsApp number ban nang ban siu pisa online ban online kapor bangan pendap ya kini post tang kini hijung tip kulish bun